Hello there. Today I will be reviewing the PRAVETTE outdoor projector. Unit measures 12.8 inches by 9.7 inches by 4 inches and is 5 pounds. Definitely not one of the lightest projectors, but it's still easy to carry around, and what it gains in weight, it adds in both quality and lumens. Setup was super easy. From start to finish it took about 5 minutes, and that's including the unboxing. To test, I am casting the image onto a 120-inch projector screen from a throw distance of 5 feet, giving me about 90-inch image. Here I verified that the screen is registering at 1080p and is producing a similar 1080p projected image onto the canvas. You can mount this from above as well as from a table. It also works as a back projection if you want to choose that too. You'll often hear people use a term, "you get what you pay for." Well, this is not movie theater grade by far. But for the price range, it outshines many of equal to even double its cost. This projector lets you use either the internal or external sound system. For the sake of this test, I will be using the internal speaker. And to display real-time video resolution quality, I will have a 1080p 46-inch TV to the left and the projection screen to the back. And here we go.
In league with a wicked witch, sent here to kill us. Wicked witch, don't be ridiculous. I'm not the one who's underestimating her cleverness. Or maybe it's you I'm underestimating. But you finally joined her side, sister. I am a no monster. You know that. I simply want peace. It's all I ever wanted, and the wizard can do that. He's a good man. What do you know about goodness? Deep down, you are wicked. Not wicked!
I hope that was helpful. Go ahead and click on the link to find out more about this product. And don't forget to subscribe to my social media posts. Thank you.